You sit down to work, but within minutes, you're checking your phone. You open one app, then another. Before you know it, an hour is gone. Sound familiar? Studies show that our attention span has dropped from 12 seconds in the year 2000 to just 8 seconds today. That's shorter than a goldfish. But why is this happening? And more importantly, can we fix it? Welcome to another episode of Concepts Unraveled from the Infinite Within channel, where we rethink the ideas shaping our world. Today, we're diving deep into the question, why can't we still focus in 2025? Subscribe to our channel to explore life lessons, cultures, and timeless philosophies that shape the way we see the world. Stay till the end. We'll share 3 scientifically proven techniques to rebuild your focus and regain deep concentration. Now, let's connect the dots we've left behind. Every time we scroll, get a notification, or switch tasks, our brain releases dopamine, the reward chemical. This makes social media and fast content incredibly addictive. The slot machine effect. Ever wonder why TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts feel so addictive? Social media platforms use the same design principles as slot machines. Variable rewards. Now imagine your phone is the slot machine. Social media platforms use variable reward loops, the same psychological trick used in gambling. You scroll, hoping the next video will be even better, and sometimes it is. That unpredictability floods your brain with dopamine, keeping you hooked and priming your mind for short, fragmented bursts of focus. The multitasking myth and the cost of switching. Think you're good at multitasking? Think again. Studies from Stanford University show that people who multitask frequently actually perform worse in cognitive tasks than those who focus on one thing at a time. Researchers found that heavy media multitaskers had trouble filtering distractions and had lower working memory, meaning they struggled to retain information. When we switch between tasks, our brain needs time to reset. This is called attention residue. It takes an average of 23 minutes to refocus after a distraction. Our shrinking attention isn't just a feeling, it's a scientifically measurable consequence of how modern tech hijacks our brain's reward systems and erodes our ability to concentrate. In a world filled with instant notifications and constant digital noise, are we losing the ability to think deeply? This isn't just about focus. It's about how our brains process complex thoughts, creativity, and problem solving. Let's explore the psychology behind it. System 1 versus System 2 thinking. The fast versus the deep mind. Psychologist Daniel Kahneman introduced the idea of 2 modes of thinking. System 1, quick, automatic, and reactive, scrolling social media, answering texts. System 2, slow, deliberate, and analytical, solving a difficult problem, reflecting on an idea. The problem? Our digital habits overload System 1, making System 2 harder to activate. When we're constantly multitasking, checking notifications, or consuming fast content, we're reinforcing shallow thinking. Deep thought requires time, patience, and discomfort, but modern distractions make it easy to avoid. Ever found yourself unable to sit through a movie without checking your phone? Or started reading an article only to skim and skip ahead? That's System 1 taking over, making deep thought uncomfortable. The fast scroll brain. Are we losing patience? Short-form platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are designed for speed, novelty, and instant rewards. Each swipe delivers a hit of dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. This conditions us to crave constant stimulation. Over time, we become less tolerant of slow or deep-thinking tasks. Ever noticed how older movies feel slower compared to today's fast-cut films? Modern editing styles have adapted to match our shortened attention spans, shaped by the media we consume. The death of boredom, and why that's a problem. Boredom used to be productive. It gave us time to reflect, be creative, and solve problems. Great thinkers like Einstein and Da Vinci credited moments of boredom for their biggest breakthroughs. Today, we fill every moment with stimulation, leaving no space for creative thinking. Researchers at the University of Virginia found that when people were left alone in a quiet room for just 15 minutes with no distractions, many felt extreme discomfort. Some even preferred mild electric shocks over being alone with their thoughts. If you've ever instinctively grabbed your phone the second you had nothing to do, that's a sign of boredom intolerance. The Google effect. Is convenience killing deep thought? We don't need to remember. We just search. Why think deeply when answers come in seconds? We're outsourcing memory to machines. Instead of building knowledge, we rely on easy access. And once we've found it, we forget it. Researchers at Columbia University found that people are less likely to remember information if they know they can look it up later. Can you remember 10 phone numbers? You probably could a decade ago. Today? Not likely. Our brains no longer try because they don't have to. Convenience saves time, but it also chips away at deep thinking. Can we reverse this? Yes. The brain is plastic, meaning we can retrain it for deep thinking, but it requires intentional effort. In the next chapter, let's explore how to rebuild focus and restrain our minds for deeper thought. In a world full of noise and notifications, reclaiming your attention isn't just possible, it's powerful. Here's how to train your brain back toward depth, not distraction. The 30-minute focus reset. Instead of trying to focus for hours, start small. Set a timer for just 30 minutes of undisturbed focus. No phone, no tabs, just one task. This simple habit strengthens your brain's ability to sustain attention, a skill weakened by constant multitasking. Inspired by the Pomodoro technique, this method breaks big tasks into short sprints with tiny breaks, a proven way to maintain energy and clarity. The dopamine detox. Our brains are hooked on instant rewards, likes, swipes, pings. Take a break from fast dopamine hits like social media, endless scrolling, or binge watching. Even one day away can reset your brain's reward system and improve clarity. Even Silicon Valley leaders like Steve Jobs and Bill Gates regularly unplugged for deep reflection. They believed solitude sparked their best ideas. Feed your mind the good stuff. Replace shallow content with depth. Listen to long-form podcasts or detailed videos. Read a challenging book. Have a meaningful conversation. Your brain grows stronger with effortful thinking and weakens when it's fed only fast, easy inputs. Warren Buffett spends most of his day reading and reflecting. His advice? The best investment you can make is in yourself. Want to focus better? Don't just fight distraction. Design your environment for attention. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, focus is a skill. You can train it. What do you think? Is our struggle to focus a result of technology, or are we still in control? Let's discuss in the comments, and remember, if you made it this far without checking your phone, you're already on the right track. Keep watching. Concepts Unraveled and explore our other playlists for more fascinating insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Infinite Within, to stay updated on new videos.